How was it being on the receiving end of hospitalists when you were at the hospital?
I can't say that I got hospitalisted to fairly well by any stretch. There was one hospitalist, a woman who came and was there a few times.
Yeah.
And she did what she needed to do. And I think she was the one that put me on the extended release pain med.
Okay.
So that was thumbs up to the hospital crew doing that. And in concert with the palliative care and the ONC team, because my palliative care and my oncology team also came to see me in the hospital.
Oh, they did. So
Yeah.
what was your view of the coordination of care then?
It was on me, but none of
you.
that was a surprise. It's like knowing that the person in the bed or the person who's in the room with the person in the bed needs to be the care coordinator or participate in care coordination. You just got to know that going in. And it's not as though there will be no care coordination if you don't do that. The yawning gaps happen when the people on the receiving end aren't paying as much attention as the people on the dispensing end.
It always seemed to me like, as a nurse or whatever, is that it was so much to ask. You don't get in the hospital unless you're pretty messed up.
Right.
And it's really hard to focus.
Right.
Because you're just gazing at your navel because you're in misery.